this is one of a sample worksheet in Canva, and here we are seeing that there are a couple of drop downs are there in this column. So let's see how we can create this type of drop down. We are going to create a drop down in this blank worksheet. For example, here. So at first we need to select the cell where we want to create a drop down. For example, we want to create a drop down like this field. So I'm going to click here, and then on the top there is actions. We just need to click here, it will be expanded. From here we have to choose the option drop down. We have to click here, and it will be like this, and it has couple of options are there, but I'm going to create a custom drop down. So to do this thing, we just need to click this option, create drop down. Once we click here, it will be like this, and if we click here, we see couple of options are there. By default it is showing option 1, option 2, option 3. Now we can modify this thing, or we can delete some of them based on our own requirement. For example, this one, option 1, now we need to change the value. I'm going to move our cursor on top of it, and then there is a pencil icon which is edit, and there is a color icon like that. So we have to click edit, and then it will bring like this. Now I'm going to change the text like group 1, for example, group 1, and then we have to press the tick mark which is done, and it will be changed like this way. Now we need to change the color. I'm going to change the color if we want, but this is optional. If you want, you can do that. I'm going to change it with red color, and then I'm going to going back, and here I am seeing that group 1, this is red color, it is modified. Same way we have to modify this one, option 2. I'm going to click here, this edit, and then it is bringing like this. So we can change it like group 2, for example, the row group 2, and then we have to press this done button, and then we can change the color if you want. I'm going to change it like other color, like green color, and then I'm going to change or modify the third option. I'm going to click here, it will be like this, and then I'm going to type group 3, and then I'm going to press this done button, and finally I'm going to change the color like other color, like pink color. In this way we actually modified all the color. Now this is the default 3 options. If you want to add more, we can click here, add new option, and it will bring another option field. And here I can type group 4, for example, and then done button. And also you can change the color. Like for this case, I'm going to change this like black color, and then I'm going to going back and see here, this is the color. So this looks like this. Okay, so that's it. Once you complete that, then you can click anywhere, and here you'll see the drop down is there. Now if we click here, then we'll see different options are there. Now we can choose this option like group 3, and we can name it, this column choose a group. Okay, so that's it guys. In this way we can easily create a like drop down in Canva sheet.